Hey guys, welcome to Amy's Autopsy Report. My name's Amy. This video is going to be about my buddy Eric Bindle, aka Horrormancave. He is making and selling prop replicas and little figures, and I wanted to show you one thing that I got about a month ago, maybe a couple of months ago. And then I just bought another round of stuff from him, and I haven't opened it yet. So I thought I'd open it with you guys. I will leave the link in the description box below where you can order stuff from him. I don't know if he is making any more of what I'm about to show you or not, but this is what it is. It is a replica of Demonic Toys Jack Attack. And he made it. It's like a full-size puppet. It's on a stand, which is pretty awesome. Look at the detail on that, and paint, the teeth. It's really freaking cool looking. Here's the back of him. And this is like real. This is bendable here. This stuff, you can kind of bend it however you want. And like I said, this is all fabric down here, and you could use this as a puppet, I suppose, by sticking your arm all the way in here if you wanted to. But this was the first large replica thing he made, and I really wanted to make sure I snagged it because Eric's a good friend of mine, and I like to support people's endeavors with the arts and things. So, yeah, I freaking love this thing, and I can't wait to see the other things he does. So, let me show you the other things that I just got these a day or two ago. So, I will open it up here and unbox it with you and show you what I got. And like I said, he's been making little resin figures and things for years now, because I have a bunch of other things he has made. But now he's got an actual site, a website, so people can order those, lots of things from him. A lot of packing, paper towels. Here's a little bat he threw in. Okay. Okay, this is a really cool little piece. And some of these were sculpted. This one in particular was sculpted by Terror for Tom. I'll put his YouTube channel in the link in the description box below too. But this is Extra, and it was sculpted by Tom, and Eric molded it and casted it and painted it. So that's just like a cool little resin bust type thingy there. And as you can see, it is pretty cool. Extra is a fun flick. Oh man, I love that. Never would have thought I would have seen any Extra related items. Oh, this is he put in a photo of his baby on the way. That's awesome. Let's see if I can get this out without busting anything. It's packed in here pretty tight because I've got a few things in here. Okay. I'll save that one for last because I gotta put it on there. Okay, so next up I got a little bust, another little bust. This is awesome. Again, sculpted by Terror for Tom. This is the Dawn of the Dead bust, and you can't really see it too good. This is green down here at the bottom, and you got blood red up there. When there's no more room in hell, the dead will walk the earth. So that's pretty sweet. Man, I love that. Very cool. So I got that. This is awesome. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I know Eric's made a few of these for other people, but we've got the crystal skull from House 2. That is awesome. And this is a large piece, but very cool. That is awesome. I've been wanting one of those for a while. Let's see. He said he was going to send me a couple little random things here. This is a little sculpture of Church the cat, and it's clear he wanted me to paint it, so I will paint it. Hopefully you can see that, but it's Church the cat from Pet Cemetery. Sweet. And it looks like he sent me another little one of these leprechaun things. Oh, this is a cool one. I have a few of these actually, but I'm always happy to add another one. Little leprechaun. This one was sculpted by artist Tim Barron. And last but not least, guys, let me get this out. I give to you Piranha. That is freaking awesome. That is so cool. Let me take the fish off of here and show it to you. Just the fish. It's so cool. Here's the face, eyes, so you can see the detail in it. Very cool. That's awesome. And then he made this wood display thing here for it. That is freaking awesome. So yeah, I will link Eric's information in the description box below, and also and also Tom's YouTube channel. I followed his channel for years. He has a great channel for like movie collector. He has an insane horror movie collection, probably the largest I've ever seen anyway. That's going to do it for this video, guys. If you like this video, give me a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at Amy's Autopsy Report, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Oh, yeah.